Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check traffic fines in Abu Dhabi online. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser and you need to simply search for evg.ae. Now, once you are able to find the website, you need to simply click on the first link and then you will be landed on the official website. Now, currently the website isn't working properly, so I'm going to show you the steps that you need to follow. So when you are on the official website of evg.ae, you need to click on the paid traffic fine option in the top. Then you need to select various methods including by plate number, by traffic code number, by license number. So select whichever you want to choose and enter the related details of your vehicle. So after entering the details, you need to simply press enter. If you see any of the vehicle fines, you just have to select that and proceed with the payment. So this way you will be able to just check whether there is any fine on you in Abu Dhabi online. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.